Hi, in this tutorial, we're going to be going over how to become a remote online notary in the state of Kentucky. So at BlueNotary, we've got a nice, simple step-by-step guide that's going to walk you through this process. It's available as a link in the description of this video below. So once you click that link, you'll be brought to this page here, and you can just scroll down a little bit and see our quick guide on how you can become an online notary in Kentucky. So let's go through this so that there's no Let's go through this to make sure that there's no confusion. Step number one is you need to have a current and valid notary public commission. So basically, you need to already be a notary public. Step number two is you're going to need to sign up with one or more RON technology providers from the list of state-approved vendors. Our best recommendation is to sign up for BlueNotary.us, the top online notarization platform for notaries and businesses. Step number three is you're going to need to provide a PDF file that includes your electronic signature, your digital stamp, also known as your e-seal, and your digital certificate. And the perfect way to do this can be done by creating your Kentucky exemplar document within the BlueNotary platform. We've got a guide here on how you can do this. It's just a simple YouTube video. You're basically going to pop into your account, click on the Kentucky SOS document generator or the Kentucky exemplar generator in your homepage, and you drop your signature and you're going to drop your seal. When you export that document, the digital certificate is going to be automatically encrypted inside this document, so you don't need to do anything extra to attach that. Next, you're going to need to upload or scan or download, possibly from a website, proof of your $1,000 surety bond. Step number five is you're going to need to pay the $10 registration fee. And lastly, step number six is you need to complete the required registration form and submit it to the Secretary of State office. This is what this form is going to look like. It's just going to be asking you for a bit of information. You're able to select what online notarization platform you are using here. For example, you can select BlueNotary. You can even fill this form out on BlueNotary using BlueNotary's Session Simulator tool at the homepage right next to where you filled out your exemplar. Once you receive your approval for this, you are good to go and begin performing remote online notarizations on your platform of choice. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please follow along, like, and subscribe. We've got plenty more information on online notarization on the way.
Are you interested in getting a feel for what an online notarization session would feel like before going through the approval process? You can open up a free account at app.bluenotary.us/business/register. We've left a link in the description on how you can make a free account and left you with a video tutorial of every feature on the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through the customer support chat in the bottom right-hand corner, and we'll do our best to get you pointed in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your notary journey.